So here we are on part 4 of preparing my property and garden for sale. If you've been following, day 1 was part 1, 2, and 3, and part 4 begins with yet another angel who came into my life because she found late bloomer. It's just remarkable and amazing and humbling to me that I have connected with so many people, either in person or online, who have been so supportive. They know how much I love this place, and I am going to have to leave and search for my new home, my new garden somewhere. Lisa Chandler is a new subscriber of Late Bloomer, and she drove up from Oceanside, which is close to San Diego, in a lot of traffic to help me on October the 6th. Here are a few images from that day. The first thing we did was I had my Prius loaded to the gills with stuff to go to my storage unit. I had to rent a storage unit to clear out some of my things because you can't show a house for sale that is full of stuff, and mine was. So that was all ready, and Lisa is very strong and very good at all that. And I was recovering from the back problem, and she just took over, and we did that job like in 30 minutes. Then we went from there to the nursery and bought a bunch of flowers.
Let's get that with some red oak. This is red oak, right? Let it.
This bee is trying to crowd out the fig eater. That bee is actually digging a hole through the skin. You know, in October, things are wrapping up, and if you can harvest a tomato here or there, it's something. So here's a look at what I was able to scrounge up on October the 9th. You know, the late bloomer angels started in September when Sausen came up from north of San Diego to help me harvest the lemon verbena and dry that and dry the mint. I've got big bags of dried lemon verbena and mint in my kitchen. And then of course Jack came in September as well, Jack Davis from Epic Yard Farm 2.0 in Phoenix, came and we did all of those videos, and I hope you'll watch those. She's so informative and knowledgeable, and I hope you'll watch those videos and learn how to save artichoke seeds and air layer your fig trees. And for propagation, what else did we do? Oh, we cooked. Oh my gosh, she's such a good cook. So please watch those videos and connect with her on Facebook and Instagram at Epic Yard Farm. And then of course the angels continued in October with Lisa Chandler, and next will be Venita, widely known as V. We call her V. She came last weekend and she's coming again tomorrow. And you'll just have to wait for those videos. But I hope you follow my journey, #FollowMyJourney. I've heard from a lot of people who are going through similar things, and I hope to continue to inspire people to keep the chin up when you don't feel like keeping the chin up, and soldier through it and do what you have to do to move forward. So thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Late Bloomer Show, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you next time. That's LAX, big jet, and that's a Cessna. You kidding me? Wow. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.